Hi girls, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my everything shower routine. And yes, it's a birthday edition, so it's my little self-care day. So grab your tea and sit back and let's get into some cozy vibes. So the first thing, I'm super excited to show you this adorable bath and body gift set that I got for myself, and it has 3 products: a yummy smelling body wash, a lotion and a body mist. These all are in vanilla vibes and fragrance, and honestly I'm already obsessed with the packaging. And the another exciting thing is a body lotion with vanilla caramello, and it's with the cocoa butter, and it also smells so good. When I just opened it, it was like everything vanilla, and I was like, wow, it's just so good. Okay, so I just woke up and I slept with my skincare on, so you just don't do that. So the first thing I'm doing is deep cleansing face wash. I'm using the Dot and Key deep cleansing foaming face wash. It deeply cleanses dirt, reduces excess oil, fades dark spots and brightens the skin. And the best part, it's non-drying and sulfate free, a total game changer. So the next step, a little face icing. It helps to reduce the puffiness, it just tightens up the pores, and honestly it wakes me right up. I'm just patting off the extra water. My hair's a frizzy mess, so we need to show it some love. So first I will just detangle all my hairs. So the first thing, I'm going in with Haircare castor oil. It's amazing for dry and frizzy hairs. It adds strength, promotes hair growth and gives that extra shine. And how can I forget my childhood staple which never fails, a parachute coconut oil. So I'm mixing both in my palms, which will make it super easy to apply. I will apply these oils from the roots of my hairs to its tip. So the time for relaxing hair massage with my scalp massager. So I will be using this scalp massager and massage my scalp all over. So it will just boost the blood circulation and it promotes the healthier hair growth. And the main thing, let me tell you guys, it's just so relaxing and it feels so good. That's why I love doing it, and I just do it whenever I apply hair oils. And here is the weather giving us already cozy vibe. While oil is doing its magic, I'm popping on a coffee sheet mask. So a coffee is rich in antioxidants. It helps to reduce the puffiness and tightens the skin. Plus, it's almost raining outside, and this mask feels like a warm hug. Hi, my feet need some serious care, so let's do a quick DIY pedicure. For that, I have taken a soda, salt and some lemon slices. For that lovely fragrance and foam, I'm using foxtail body wash, but you can use any of your shower gel or even you can use your favorite shampoo. And yes, don't forget a foot scrubber, it's super important. A little amount of vinegar as it works as a disinfectant and it helps with odor. So everything is just here, so let's make a DIY foot scrub. So for that I have taken 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, some coconut oil and yes, some of the almond oil which is rich in vitamin E. So I have filled a tub with the mild warm water. In that I will be adding a vinegar, 3 pumps of body wash, and all the ingredients which we have taken, I will directly add them and I will mix it all. And this mixture looks like a dream. And now I will just soak my feet for about 10 to 15 minutes in this mixture. While I'm soaking my feet, I will take a lemon slice and gently scrub them over my feet. It feels so refreshing and it helps to remove the tan, and it works as an exfoliator there. After soaking, I will take my feet out and rinse them quickly. Now I'm using foot scrubber with a little body wash to scrub around the edges, heels and toes, basically all the rough areas of my feet. Doing it helps to remove the dead skin, and trust me, it's really effective one. So after doing it, I will be using a DIY foot scrub which we have made recently, and I will be gently exfoliating in circular motions. Scrubbing is super important as it helps to remove the dead skin, improves the blood circulation, and makes your feet feel really soft and clean. Okay, so now I'm moving on to nail care. So I'm just cutting and filing my nails neatly. Once that's done, I'm giving my feet a nice massage with the Johnson baby oil, which is super light and relaxing. And now I'm applying Mama Earth moisturizing cream to lock in hydration, and seriously, I can already feel how soft and fresh my feet are. To finish it off, I'm applying some nail polish to give my feet that final polished look. And that's it. My feet feel so clean, smooth and pampered. So it's been an hour and it's time to take a shower, and I'm starting by lighting a candle. And the first thing I will be doing is washing off my hairs because I need to wash that oil off, because the castor oil is kind of thick and it makes your scalp like stick. And here I'm using my everyday shampoo, like my daily shampoo that I have been using since 2 years and it never disappointed me, and that one is L'Oreal Paris 5 oil in 1, which works wonder on my frizzy hairs. Since I have used castor oil, I need a double shampooing today, so I will be doing it. So for the next shampoo, I'm trying this plum coconut milk and peptide shampoo, and look at the texture of it. It's so creamy and lush, and this smells literally a heaven. This one was new for me, but oh god, you won't believe it lathers so beautifully and it rinsed off all the oil so well. After shampooing, I will gently squeeze out the extra water from my hairs so that I can use this plum hair mask that I'm trying for first time. So just opening it up, and OMG, it smells divine. I will be using this soft towel to make my hairs about half dry. It's super important to not apply hair mask on soaking wet hair. We want it to soak in deeply, not slide off. I'm applying it lovingly on every single strand of my hair, from roots to its tips. This mask is packed with nourishing ingredients that helps to tame the frizz, hydrate the dried strands, and leave hair ultra soft and shiny. Once it's applied, I will just tie my hair up. I'm using this Plum Body Loving Body Wash. Let me introduce you to my loofah love story, the one I fell in love with at first sight. It's soft and pretty and pairs perfectly with the body wash. Taking that rich lather on the loofah is seriously like bathing in a vanilla heaven. This Plum Body Loving Body Wash smells like I just walked into a cozy little bakery, warm, sweet and comforting. like a vanilla cake fresh out from the oven. It's time to exfoliate, and today I'm using a homemade DIY brown sugar vanilla body scrub made with love and full of skin loving ingredients. And to make this body scrub, I have taken some amount of brown sugar to scrubbing away the dead skin, honey that hydrates deeply, coconut oil to make scrub smooth and nourish the skin, coffee to stimulate the circulation and help with the cellulite, a little Dove body wash for creamy texture, and finally the plum body loving vanilla vibes body oil to tie the whole vanilla dreams together. And look at the texture, it looks so delicious. Mixing it to foam, I'm scooping out a generous handful of the scrub, and it's thick, grainy, and smells like a vanilla latte kissed with honey. I'll be gently massaging it onto my damp skin in slow and circular motions. I will rinse it off, feeling like a fresh baked cookie. Also, I'm rinsing out the hair mask, and wow, it left my hair so soft, shiny, and smooth. Feeling fresh after coming out of the shower, and I will be applying a DIY face pack with oats powder, rice flour, milk, honey, and few drops of lemon. It gently exfoliates and brightens the skin and leaves it soft, clean. Keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off. And it's time to oil up with the plum vanilla vibes body oil. It smells like a vanilla cake batter, cookie, and everything sweet and comforting. It's a warm hug in a bottle. This oil locks in moisture and makes your skin feel soft, glowy, and luxuriously scented. And then it's time to layer on the plum vanilla caramello body lotion, and OMG, it's so buttery and spreads like a dream. It melts into the skin and makes you smell like a caramel drizzle on the top of vanilla latte. I'll be slathering it all over. And yes, I'm already floating in a vanilla cloud. The same steps that I followed for my hands, I'll be following the same for my legs as well. I'll be applying the oil all over my legs, and after that I will be layering a caramel body lotion with the vanilla scents. I'll be using this Earth Rhythm deodorant stick. It's not just in deo, but it also helps to brighten up and exfoliate the underarms. After that, I will be diving into the face shaving. So I'll be using this Johnson Baby Oil, a great hack for smooth, gentle shaving. I'll be using this Sanfe Eyebrow Touch and Face Razor for shaving. I'll be gently gliding along the contours of my face. It removes the peach fuzz and dead skin so effortlessly, leaving my skin soft, smooth, and makeup ready. Once I'm done with it, I will rinse and cleanse using plum rice water face wash. It's creamy, soothing, and makes my skin feel like a super clean without stripping it. I'll be following that up with the Foxtail Multivitamin Glow Toner, which instantly refreshes and preps my skin with the heat of hydration and nutrients. It also gives that dewy look. After toner, I will be using this Dot & Key Vitamin C Serum, which contains niacinamide, and it sinks in so beautifully, giving my skin a boost of brightness and protection against the dullness, and it also even out the skin tone. For the moisturizer, I'll be using this Mama Earth Rise Baby Skin Moisturizer. These days, I'm using it on a daily basis. It's lightweight but deeply hydrating. It makes my skin feel plump and nourished and also give that dewy look. It feels like a cloud of freshness that lingers for a moment then disappears, leaving only happy skin behind. For the sunscreen, I'll be using Foxtail Golden Hour sunscreen. I'll be squeezing out a good amount of it and dot it all on my face. It's so smooth and glides on like a dream without any white cast and gives just this gorgeous glow. And lastly, a quick swipe of Vaseline Cocoa Butter Lip Balm and my skincare is completed here. I'll be combing my freshly washed hairs. It feels like a fairy tale moment. It feels like a silk in a gentle breeze. For more hair care, I will be applying this Bare Anatomy Hair Growth Serum directly to my scalp. It's packed with the redensil, anagen, rosemary and biotin. These are the powerful ingredients that promote the healthy hair growth. It reduces the hair fall and boosts overall thickness. It gives my roots that extra dose of nourishment that they deserve. For the length of my hairs, I'll be applying this L'Oreal Paris Hair Serum. It instantly smoothens and softens my strands, add a healthy shine and tames any frizz, leaving my hair look sleek as salon fresh. And finish off with this Vanilla Vibes Body Mist. It's sweet, warm, delicious, just like a vanilla cupcake. And that's it. Done glowing. Bye bye.